welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited to share with you guys this grow light that was sent to me by Easy Bright. This LED light is a full spectrum 100-watt light. LED is supposed to be the best option when it comes to saving money on your electricity for your growing light projects. In the box you'll get this card and you follow the steps, and then it will take you to an ebook that you will download, and it will give you all the information you need to know regarding your light. So I'm excited to be trying this out. Obviously this video will have to be in two parts. What I'm going to be doing to test this light out is I am using two plants. They're Echeveria subtilis, and this plant, in order for it to stay compact, it needs really good light. So I'm hoping to be testing this light out, and I should expect for the plant, one of them to stay compact. The other one I will be placing nearby but away from the light, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna stretch out because that's what's happened in the past. When this type of succulent does not get enough light, it loses its shape. And yeah, so I'm excited to do this for you guys. I know many of you guys bring your plants in during the winter, so this would be a really good option for you guys to keep those plants that need to stay compact. So you will need to have your own lamp. I have this lamp right here, which is perfect. You can move it up and down. So if you can find a desk lamp, I think that that's the best option to use this light. So guys, here's the light inside the lamp, and this is what it looks like when it's turned on. I'll be placing this one right here. Right here. There you go. You can see that there's no pink light over here, and this one is getting the light. So I should expect this to stay compact and this one to stretch out. And today is April the 8th, so I'll come back on here and update you guys on how we're doing. Okay guys, so I'm back. Today is May 17th, so it's been over a month of this plant being under the light and this plant just being hanging around away from the light. So we're gonna take a close-up look and see the growth and the changes that we've had. So let's go ahead and look at the plant that was not getting any of the LED light. So if you look back, I'll try to see if I can put in right here. So as you guys can see, it already started to stretch out. Many Echeverias, when they're not getting enough light, they will open up their petals, spread wide open, trying to take in as much light as they can. So that's why she looks like this. She's also a little bit stretched out, as you can see. She's losing her beautiful rosette-like structure. And also the color, she's very pale, like a gray-green color. And now let's look at the one that was under the grow light. As you guys can see, her leaves are nice and perky because she was getting direct light. Also, some plants, if they're receiving too much sun, they'll kind of close up trying to protect themselves. But this one is good. She was doing really good under the grow light. Beautiful color. Very nice looking. As you guys can see, the grow light did its job. So I do recommend this light, especially for the people that live up north and have to bring their plants in during their winter time. So I wanted to show you guys several plants under the light. You can put a decent amount of plants under this light. These plants are my plants that I have on my shelf right here. I don't use the light currently for that. I just received it, like I said, and I was this whole time I was doing a test on that on those two plants that I showed you previously, but I just wanted to show you that you could cover a decent amount of plant under these lights. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a link where Easy Bright is offering 20% off on the purchase of the light. Just remember that you get the light bulb, you will have to purchase your own lamp. But I think that works well because then you can just adjust it to your liking and get one of these or a tall one and face it down. whatever you guys like. So the link is going to be on the right hand corner. Just go ahead and click on it and fill out the information, and they'll send you a 20% coupon off your first purchase. I forgot to mention the price of the light, so I went ahead and clicked on the link that they sent me for you guys, and it did take me to Amazon, and it says that it's on sale right now for $23.99, and I believe that's not including the 20% off that they're going to give you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, Easy Bright, for sending me this light. Bye guys, you guys have a blessed day.